Want to create a model with this level of quality using AI and use it in your own films or games? Let's bring your imagination to life. In the AI tool we're using, we start by uploading our images, and with its new features, we generate the mesh and textures step by step. Next, we compare the meshes in Blender. Then move to ZBrush to refine the model, creating better topology and adding fine details. After that, we unwrap the model and create improved texture brushes. And finally, we rig it in Mixamo and add custom animations. Hi everyone! In this tutorial, we're going to explore the latest version of the AI tool, Hunyuan 3D-V3, and create a stylized character model with it. To make it easier to use the AI, you can simply enable your browser's automatic translation feature. Click on the tushing mode, select Many Pictures, and upload your images showing the front, back, left, and right views. I'm choosing the step-by-step mode, which lets you have better control over your model. With this AI, you can create up to 20 models per day for free. As you can see, in the 1 million polygon mode, it has given us a very high-quality model that we can download right now and start creating textures for it. Of course, it has a few issues, but as you'll see later, we'll go through how to fix those problems step by step. Now let's check out the Smart Poly mode and tell it that we want the model to have quad topology. As you can see, the topology has been reduced to 8,000 polygons, and I'm pretty sure the model won't look very good. We'll generate a texture for it and then compare it with the high poly models. Now we import both versions into Blender, and as you can see, the high poly versions have much better quality compared to the low poly one, so we'll delete the low poly model. However, we also need to reduce the polygon count of the high poly model. So next, we'll use ZBrush, since it offers fast and efficient retopology tools. Now I want to start by fixing the extra parts and imperfections. We can do this by masking, hold Control, and paint over different areas to create groups, then hide and delete them. Another method is to hold Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift to hide specific parts, and then go to the Modify Topology menu and use Del Hidden to remove the unwanted geometry. Now we can retopologize our character using ZBrush. To fill the empty holes, we use the Close Holes option under Modify Topology. We can also, if needed, select the character's clothing, create a poly group for it, and keep it as a separate piece. Now you can manually sculpt your model to add the necessary details. For the sticking areas between the fingers, you can use the same polygon deletion method to clean them up. After making the adjustments, you can keep a high poly version of your model for baking, then duplicate it and use remesh to create a low poly version. Now we can texture different parts of the model in Substance Painter. and then export the final textures from it. As you can see, with this method, we can achieve a much more accurate and properly built AI-generated model. Now we have a high-quality, low-poly model, and we're going to import it into Blender. Now we can upload this model to a site like Mixamo to quickly rig it and generate animations for it. We can import it back into Blender and use the Mixamo add-on to create rig controls and build various poses for it. We can also use Mixamo animations directly with it. Alright friends, that was the complete step-by-step tutorial on how to create a character using AI and edit it into a fully game-ready standard character. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you won't miss the next tutorials.